Welcome to the Explainer. It's officially time to stop renting your AI tools and actually own them. Seriously, why keep paying bloated monthly subscriptions? Why rent when you can own this stuff forever? As founder Ismail boldly says, if you want generic templates with zero accountability, this ain't it. Yeah, there's a reason for that. His original Gumroad setup got literally one verified sale. So he pivoted hard. He totally ditched the marketplace for an independent, lightning-fast Next.js shop. And wow, did it pay off. That rebuild sparked a massive 71% performance leap on Lighthouse. Load times totally plummeted, dropping from 3.2 seconds down to 0.9. The new model absolutely works. So what's inside this fast platform? You get exactly 19 production-tested AI workflow toolkits. Buyers are loving the Founder playbooks, AI content workflows, and those sweet SEO visibility systems. No fluff here, guys. We're talking real Claude Code skills, Swift UI templates, and advanced prompt packs. All this was built by Ismail Günaydon, a solo engineer in Istanbul with 15 years of experience. Checking out is a breeze. Just browse, pay exactly once, and download your tools instantly. Prices range from $9 to $119. The best part, absolutely zero recurring subscriptions. Payments are super flexible too. He uses Stripe and Isaco, completely cutting out those pesky marketplace middlemen. Plus, buy once and you lock in all future updates for that major version totally for free. Worried? You've got 14 days to grab a full refund as long as you haven't downloaded the files. This isn't just talk. It's actually backed by the EU Consumer Rights Directive for ultimate global buyer confidence. So, are you going to keep renting generic tools, or are you finally ready to own your workflow forever?